Welcome to the Azure Infrastructure Calculator demo. This tool helps you estimate the cost of setting up your virtual machines in Azure. It features two sections, an input section and an output section. Based on your input parameters, it will provide the monthly cost of your desktop for pay-as-you-go, 1-year reserved instance, and 3-year reserved instance plans. The calculator will recommend the lowest cost option and provide a breakdown of all required resources, including their quantity, storage, and estimated price. Let's walk through an example. I'll select the US East region and a premium value desktop with a disk size of 128 gigabytes. We'll set the average usage to 160 hours per month and a total of 100 VMs. We'll leave the infrastructure discounts at 0. After entering all the values, we'll click Calculate to see the estimated costs. As you can see, the pay-as-you-go option is the lowest priced and is recommended. At the bottom, you'll find a detailed breakdown of all the compute and additional Azure resources required, along with their respective costs.